So the Empire has set up a mining operation. It's not been very popular with the locals. They've kicked people off their land, put a lot of people into near slave labor, and they've just been kind of turning the, what was more of a nice forest planet into kind of a growing more and more industrial zone for the Beskar mining.
You gotta go back out and start filming. Yeah. Okay. And then after that, we just...
I'm going by Bojack.
Just about here.
All right, down that way, right? Yeah, I gotta go here.
When you get a minute, just give back your number so you're on the rest.
I'll be good. Yeah.
Not that emperor they have. He's fake. Fake as
I'm
fuck.
gonna go to the...
You don't wear gold.
The
Guess who wears gold? That's right. Winners.
All right. Anyways, I'm gonna have Curtis pick me up at the church or something. I think
Wait there. I'll leave my head for my...
I call this the Kubas Snooter. Yes. It is a cold blend of a secret ingredient, to which is from a tree that I found. And the syrup is a berry power.
This better be not like the last damn thing you made.
Drink fast, no more talk, please.
What was the tree you found it in?
Irrelevant. Well, welcome, any business? How may I do the business with you?
Good job. Ding, ding, boy.
Would you like to drink? May I offer a menu?
You may. I'm feeling first here with the Java.
The Java, of course, sir. Yes, yes. Would you like it iced on or straight?
Straight.
Yes, yes. Busyness.
The amount of work I have to do on your ship, I deserve a stiff drink.
Pretty good.
Living straight.
Yes, straight.
Oh, and of
I'm only doing what I was paid.
secret ingredient. Hey.
I guess I'm looking to open an account with you.
I will take care of that for you.
Your empire.
Let's go right back.
I actually might. But I believe it is power.
Imperial business passing through.
That's no do.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, I got my soft good.
Do you have a proper license for this business, sir?
Of course, yes, sir. And to the very lawfulness of my business.
Oh my goodness, thank you, sir.
You need to join the Empire. It's the best place in the galaxy.
Yes, we protect you from the rebels. They commit terroristic acts against our people.
The rumors that civilians were shot on Alderaan are false.
Yes, nothing happened in 725, okay?
Yes.
Make it sure.
Nothing happened.
Bounty.
Yes.
Oh yeah? Come here.
It's a nice GONK droid you got.
Hold on. Look.
Mandalorian.
Yeah. Look at him.
The hostage,
That's a good question.
Territory. All right. We're going to promote you. I hope I don't get sniped right now.
I got your back.
We'll see. Your strap?
Yeah.
Put your strap up here. That might work pretty well.
You can put it on Velcro too.
Oh, yeah. I'll keep it right there for now. All right. Where's your partner?
Right there.
Short trooper. Where?
Yes, sir. Yes, where you guys hold up at?
Splendid duty, escorting that dead man. Nothing happening while you escorted that dead man. That was pretty good. Normally it doesn't happen to us out here. Normally you try and escort a dead guy and you end up with 20 more dead guys. So I'm really proud of you guys. You guys really held it together. They're really teaching you guys up there.
Gather in front of the canteen.
Okay. Or officer, wherever we want to call you. Give me my drink, thank you. Go get another one. Go get another one now.
Yes, sir.
You. Go in there with him. Make sure he grabs another one. Get yourself one.
All right.
You. Make sure he gets one. My kind of idea. One time I found like a brand new pod racing engine just thrown out. Just no one wanted it. It was covered in like Rhodian, like that like cream that Rhodians extract, you know? That stuff's delicious. Oh, no, that's all good. They respect that guy, they respect that guy. I'm just here to tell them to get me drinks.
I'll let this slide on my just this one. You guys can up to a mile?
You guys are freaking brick.
If you have trouble, then switch to the the ones that have the use up your battery, but the range is on.
Gather up. We're about to go.
Where are you heading through? Refinery. You're heading to the refinery?
We are. Okay. So I'm going to need you to get your squad. Go through. You got a map on you? We're going to go to the lodge.
The rifle. The black rifle. Use the rifle. I know what.
Go. Woo!
We'll go full MLS.
Use them!
Taking a little too long. Bro, this shit's not working. No, don't be recording this. This is not this is embarrassing. The Band-Aid isn't Band-Aiding. Okay, fuck it. Bam!
I just walked in, I ain't got shit yet.
Look up. So badass. Airsoft recycling.
We got a squad there!
I have an item. The Imperial is up here with me. Wookiees, stay back.
Credit for you. Sir, we found a holocron.
Negotiating credits.
Like a
Wookiees,
Jedi
stay
to
back,
me.
find cover, and cover my ass. How much are we talking?
Talk to this man.
Uh-huh.
I am searching you for anything else.
Nothing but a gun.
Yes, sir.
Take him prisoner.
I'm gonna deliver this object for the Imperial Army, and they're gonna.
Where is it?
Imperials, take him prisoner.
Where is it?
All Wookiees, stay back.
What'd you do with it?
If they pull anything on me, light them up. Mandalorian situation.
Actually, need to take care of. Let's go.
Increase your spacing as well.
Make sure your las pack is fully charged.
Contact to the right. Cut through the woods, Move, up. Move it, troopers. Lieutenant, I have been hit. No, that's You did hit me earlier, I got healed.
Gotcha.
For the Emperor! For the Emperor! Medic! Ah!
The one with water in it?
No, yeah, but there's other patches on it.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
I see what you're doing.
I'm taking advantage of everything I got.
Mask is all fogged up.
Is this what?
I will not put this on.
Anybody can medic anybody, right?
Back up. Retreat.
Hey, what are we doing?
Retreated.
GONK. GONK.
How close are they?
I didn't fall. Okay.
I'm just here. I'm not doing anything.
Dad. Pick up your fellows and really take me with you. Oh, this is really sweet.
Just swing hands. Swing hands. Oh my God! We're not involved. He's taking me
Am I dead?
Dad was good.
You're not dead. Stand up. You can heal me or do something.
I'm sorry.
I'm still taking fire from a truck.
Are you Empire?
Over here.
Huh?
We're shooting my rebel guys over here.
Are you Empire? Are they? You guys aren't hitting the mine?
No. We're rebels over here.
Oh. Heal them. They hit the wrong guys.
We hit the wrong guy, sorry.
I thought you were amps taking out the mines.
Is that fully restored? You got imps up on our 6 over there, though.
Huh?
You got imps up ahead, though.
God damn it, they're trying to take back the mine.
You might want to unsheath your. You might want to get your guns ready.
Jedi and them. Well, they shot him. So actually, I do dig those shoulder pads too. Holy cow. Oh God, that, can you imagine running around in that? Let's fall back. Here, let's get our rebels together. Fall back. Fall back. With the Mando guy, is that rebel up there? I am. Oh. Emperor, is it? Yes. Yes. No, the rebels are on the trail. Yeah. Yeah, they're heading back towards Syndicate. They come around.
Just keep moving back. Good, deep breath.
Steady.
Hang on. Hang on. Close up.
No. Shut the fuck up.
there.
Jedi scum.
Medic? Appreciate you, sir.
Where is it?
Oh.
We got rebels coming through, so they're done.
Yeah, I don't know how. I guess we killed them. Or they went left, I think.
They're over there, man. Can I heal back there?
He is not just a guy in a golden chair.
Jedi are
He is a beacon of light.
Well, if you want good favor from the God Emperor, a donation to the church would always be great.
I will donate when I have something to donate.
Of course.
I'll give a tithe.
I'll be at the cantina.
Why are the Jedi hanging out with the Imperials?
I'm not a Jedi. I'm a homeless man.
Alright, let's go.
Best conception of Star Wars.
At all.
Anybody go upstairs?
Roll it, Blood Spark. We're rolling out. Rolling out? Where's that? Go.
Guys,
Where you at?
over here. Imperial, I guess. Oh, shit.
Ah, damn it. Did I stab you in the hand at least?
Yes, my hand is incapacitated.
Fuck.
Medic!
Oh, I thought you were Jedi.
Homeless is still back to the respawn.
Good.
So you're gonna go spend the credit?
Pardon?
That's Captain, bro.
Captain's got the back door.
Lieutenant Leary.
Yes, sir.
God, you're not you're supposed to spread out. Gone. Gone.
Gone.
If they're going somewhere?
Well, they're not.
Should circle around. They seem to be on over there. They might be moving.
I am now doing how much withdrawal?
5,000. From the Imperial count to the Pope count.
Okay, 5,000's been pulled from Imperial.
And 500 are from the Imperial to the Savant.
Alright. Fill up these Jedi.
You laying ropes?
What are you doing?
Where are the Jedi?
Huh?
Where are the Jedi?
You're the Jedi?
No, where are the Jedi? Hey, I lost your number.
Oh, okay, I'll give it to you again.
Alright.
Nice setup, man.
Thanks, man.
Are you Jedi?
These are rebels coming up right here.
They're with us. They're with us.
No, they're not.
They claim to be with us.
Are you raising a hand as dead or rebels?
All right. We were trying to go to the dead.
I thought they teamed up.
rebellion is on the other side of the town
Come on,
walking towards
everybody,
our
armor.
base.
He had to get his payback, I guess.
I'm still curious if the spice lunch is still alive.
That's a mile.
15?
Very good job.
to go get it.
Moving on through. We just had a package brought at Beskar over here already.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I got enough.
find
Go
a man
drink
who
shit out of water.
has these guys satchel. There's a guy with a satchel of Beskar here on our side. He was with you.
Let's leave 5 here and take everybody else.
We're about to go like storm stuff and blow stuff up.
That sounds fun.
You know, today I was real curious.
You got a whole bunch of things walked up to me and dropped a water bottle.
That's an insult.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
That kid with the cowboy hat walked up, looked at us, and walked away.
Guys, Captain, you gotta get moving. The Mandos are on their way to get more Beskar.
This is awesome.
Oh, I have power on our heels, man.
Yeah, seriously.
Is there an Imperial here who can hire people? That could be a good word for you.
Somebody goes check him, make sure you ain't got anything on him. Remember, there's one more in the back.
Here's the Wookiee.
Is that ours? What you got over there?
Wookiee over there.
Yeah. Wookiees are sided with the rebels.
I don't see a kill rag on him.
Revive him, we're taking him to the mine.
That's labor.
You got a tourniquet on you?
I do not.
All right, revive them. We're taking them to the mines as labor.
Oh, man.
Someone got a tourniquet on him?
To the salt mine.
Hey, he's got a radio on him too.
Yeah, he was being really suspicious earlier. Talking with some.
No,
just keep it on.
That's your gear.
Yeah, you
Turn off your radio.
No, keep it on. Let's hear him. We got a prisoner.
Yeah. We need the info.
Yeah, turn it up all the way then.
We had more people drop back.
Let me hear him.
The other crew's almost at the...
Go distract these guys. You go ahead and get this guy right here.
Okay.
Wookiee running.
Got a Wookiee, keep running.
Greetings and salutations, sir. Yes, we are increasingly ingredients.
Apparently we're on an ingredient run. Nobody needs anything fixed around here.
Somebody's shooting over there.
No, sir, I am the provider of the dead. Thank you kindly, sir.
Don't want to
Have
interrupt
the
you, but
day.
they're shooting coming from that side. I don't know if they're test fire.
All right, let's keep going.
Is that you, Doug? Okay. Friendly.
Okay. Are you the rogue drone?
Okay.
The what?
Rogue android drone?
No, I'm not an.
What are you?
I'm a trooper.
Are you with us?
Depends. Do you want me with you?
Yeah.
Of course. You're wearing our armor.
What do you have to offer?
Not dying.
Not dying.
Copy that.
Is that it?
All right, someone revive him. He's with us now.
Graceful clown. Can I start them?
What you got on you, bud? Other than a sweet bud.
Is that mug made of Beskar?
I'll bet you do.
I'm not sure what this is.
Someone grab it from the house.
Hey, we got.
We did just have some friendly move up there.
Yeah, they just started. All right, take the buildings.
Hey, we got friendlies firing.
Take the buildings.
Got off the field. Had about a dozen in my ponytail.
Hey,
Oh, there
The other guy we captured.
Hey, what's behind us?
There he is.
Hey, fan out, push
Yeah,
forward, fan out and surround him.
We could have guys behind us.
Fan out and surround him, full security.
Yeah, we need to get up in front of them. It's small size.
Where'd you get that?
The canteen.
Canteen?
Can we take him to the mines back at our base?
Yes. Hey, Aaron, you're coming with me.
Sir, yes, sir.
Max, this is Dennis. Come in.
clear.
Roger that, over out. I just needed it from
We shouldn't separate too much.
over out.
Well, we got a lot of dudes.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, do we want to...
Yeah. It's all right. Take like 3 or 4. Hey, we need more.
You can try.
Somebody try.
I won't come out. I'll go back down. Here, so we can put that in there. All right. If we get contact,
Do you have anything?
you guys hightail it to the garrison. Okay?
I got 2 pockets.
Go back home.
We're gonna put you in the middle of
Do
the
you think it's
formation.
okay in a pocket like this?
Maybe.
Come back to the garrison.
Hey guys, get out of here. Go out the back. Go out the back. Go straight down. Go straight down the trail we came. Go straight down the trail we came.
Not this way, this way. It was the other way, but the dead rag's about to fall out.
Come on, incoming.
Rebels here! Are those rebels over there?
Route their ass and let's go.
They're weak! Push them!
You get the money? What do we just got? What do we need to do? Did you get the money?
Yeah. Hey,
They're talking about just holding their spot. They're trying to not move on us. Just, we can hold you guys later. Hold your position.
Oh, I'm done!
That one's out.
here's what we need to do. We need to grab everybody and run into the woods. Everybody grab a man, run into the woods.
A prisoner? A prisoner, you mean?
Yes, grab a prisoner and run into the woods.
Shoot us! We're prisoners! We've been taken prisoners! You can shoot us, you will never respawn! You fucking shoot me!
Please!
We shoot them.
Wookiees, we need you! Prisoners, kill these guys and we'll take our...
No, did you eat your plate?
No. If it's not
No.
your plate, good.
Grab him. All of them. Go.
Into the woods, into the woods, go!
We're out. David's down.
Yes!
Let's go. Wait, David's down. Hey, are we leaving David? Oh, shit. All right.
Inside of the bridge and somebody just got.
Rebel fight. All right, hey, are we shooting rebels?
We're shooting rebels, right?
Yeah.
That's no lie.
This guy's a rebel. Are you in?
Wait.
Yeah?
There's one way back in the woods.
I hit it.
Yep.
I hit your plate.
Oh, sorry, man. If you did, put your plate. Yeah. Oh, I mean. I got me.
good day.
No, I haven't hit. The Old Republic will stand.
Yeah, I thought we captured you.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and stop it here. This concludes the footage from Flames of the Rebellion, hosted by Mind Game Productions at Wayne's World of Paintball in Ocala, Florida. If you're looking for more Airsoft LARP coverage, drop a comment, drop a like, let me know if this is what you're looking for, and I'll keep it going. Thanks for checking out the footage. Take care.